Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making mushroom ricotta crostini. And this makes a great starter, appetizer. You can even eat it as a meal. What we're going to do is saute up the mushrooms. They're going to be on toasted sourdough bread with some ricotta cheese, melted provolone cheese, garlic, a little bit of chives in there. It's really good. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 pound of mushrooms, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of chives, a couple slices of provolone cheese, olive oil, 15 ounces or 1 container of ricotta cheese, and some fresh sourdough bread. To get started, we're going to take our ricotta cheese, go in with our chives, a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to give this a mix. We're going to set it aside after that. And we're going to start working on the mushrooms. But first, we're going to preheat the oven to 475 degrees. For the mushrooms, we're going to heat up a little bit of olive oil in our saute pan. Going to get that nice and hot. We're gonna cook these down. It'll just take a couple minutes, and then we're gonna go in with the garlic. Our mushrooms are just about cooked down. Gonna go in with our garlic, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. We're just gonna cook this for about 30 seconds to a minute until we really smell that garlic. And we're gonna go on with a nice little even layer of the mushrooms across, just like that. That looks so nice. Now we're gonna top it with the provolone cheese. We're gonna go right into the oven for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. There you have it. It's our mushroom ricotta crostini. Let's get a bite of this. Did you hear that bread? It's nice and toasty. It's hot, so be careful. I'm not sure if you can see the toastiness on the bottom. It's perfectly toasted. Got the earthiness of the mushrooms, the creaminess of the ricotta. You got that wonderful sourdough taste. This is really good. I hope you try this recipe. If you like what we're doing here, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. We'll see you next time.